So I have a coat on, I have a scarf on. There could be a lot of static happening here. So if my hair starts doing like this thing, apologies in advance. So today I decided to just switch out all the products. Hopefully a lot of them are like not, I don't know, I stick with things, right? Like if you are like, oh, I really like this foundation, you'll probably wear it like 3-4 days in a row just because you like it now. Is my lash coming off? Okay, it is secure. All right, so foundation today is the Surratt Dewdrop. I am in the shade 4. This is a foundation that looks good when you put it on. It has like medium coverage at most. Even on me, I think it's like light medium. I can still see a lot of things and it requires concealer, but if you want your skin to look really nice, not shiny, just nice, it's great. And I always notice with this foundation, maybe, you know, when I come home from work or like when I'm about to take my makeup off, I'll like catch a glimpse of like my makeup in like the bathroom mirror or something. I'm like, my skin looks so good. And it's usually with this foundation. It looks better with time. When you first put it on, you'll like it. You may or may not want to powder it depending on your skin type. But then once it settles in and your natural oils come through, like it's really nice. This is really good that way. For the under eyes, I use the Flawless Fusion Concealer from Mercier. I have the shade 2W on. I thought I would hate it under the eyes and I don't. It actually looks quite good. I also use very little concealer, so I tend to go in with correctors. This one, the Charlotte Tilbury, I have it in the shade medium. I popped a little bit of this on in the inner corners as far as the darkness would go, and then I put this very lightly on top. I did go fairly full triangle today because I've been trying to like lift. Or I think my issue is how I get too close to the camera when I'm talking to you guys. Like when I'm editing, I'm like, gosh, why are you so close? Like step away from the camera so people can actually see your makeup. I'm more like, hi guys, do you like my makeup? Is this even focusing? So this, yes, also love this. I went with the Makeup Forever powder today because there's so little coverage on the Surratt. I don't want to say little. It's not little, it's just, if you were looking for medium, like that's the maximum you're gonna get. So I grabbed the Makeup Forever powder. This is in the shade Y235. I believe it's Marble. Really love it. It mattifies just the right amount. I can use it under my eyes and I don't have a problem with that. For the bronzer, I used both of them. The Chantecaille. I have the Serena. My heat's kicking on. The Serena and the Goa, which I've showed you before. I just love these. They're just so good. So this all over, this is a contour. I can use either one alone. Like, they're just so, so good. And finally, after kind of going through a lot of my baked bronzers or gel bronzers, I've determined that I probably will return this because while it's like fine and nice, I will always, given a choice, pick those two over this one. So I should just not have this in my collection, yeah? And then on the face, I have the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Macadamia. The lip today is the Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint in the shade Bare Nude. Looks like this, but on the lips it goes quite pink. And then we have She's Proud from Patrick Ta. I probably should just get another, like one of She's Proud and She's Strong, just to have them. I'm gonna go through these so quickly. For the eyes today, I haven't strayed from this yet. It's the Viseart Milieu, and I have them swatched for you. I have this shade, this shade, this shade, and I wanted to introduce the pink into the look. You can probably see it on the outer edges. I wanted to use it if it's in this palette, and I do like it. I probably wouldn't use it alone, not because I don't like pink eyeshadow, or maybe, I don't know, it's like too statement making for me. I mean, not that this isn't like a statement. I mean, for a lot, this is like a lot of eyeshadow. So I used that, and then I also added the Marc Jacobs Oh Yeah Omega shadow. Sometimes I'm like, I notice I'm quite monotone. There's not really much I can do about it, but the Omega shadows are all, I don't know, I don't have any of the mattes in my collection. Actually, this is the only one I have. I thought this was the only shade that was like unique enough for me to pick up, since all of the shades were quite like simple shades, and I love it. The formula is so good. If you would come out with a palette that was just that formula, I would be all over it. And then we've got the Victoria Beckham in the shade Bordeaux. We have both MAC eye koals in Smolder, which is a black, and then Costa Riche, which is a reddish brown. And the liquid liner today is from Dolly Wink, OG Classic. There's swatches. These 4 are from the Viseart, and then this is the Marc Jacobs. How pretty is that shadow? And that's what I have all over the lid. So I laid down the entire base of the look with the matte shadows from the Viseart, and then added this on the top, on the lid, on top of my lid. Yes, the 3 eyeliners, Victoria Beckham, MAC Costa Riche, and the smolder, and then these are just 3 lines drawn with the Dolly Wink. Seriously, like this on camera is even more beautiful than in person, I think. I mean, that's not a good testament. I mean, either way, it's like such a gorgeous color. I've done this like as the only eyeshadow. Maybe we'll try that tomorrow. Only eyeshadow will be this one. It blends out, it does such beautiful things. Okay, must remember. Okay, so sorry, today's video you're getting like one look, and it's the whole video is gonna be me looking like this. So I got a Boxycharm box in here. I haven't opened it yet. I have sliced it to prepare for the video, but I haven't opened it yet. So this is the Boxycharm Premium box. So what they have done, there's the Boxycharm that you can get every month. You have an option to upgrade quarterly to Boxy Luxe. And then now they've just come out with this one called Boxy Premium. So Boxycharm, I believe, I just buy the full year subscription. It's like $21 or $24 or something like that. I'll like list everything below. So you have that, you can upgrade quarterly, and then you can get like a bougier box with more items. And then, oh, do you guys see that? This thing like occurred this morning, and it's like a bump, and it's like not going away. I keep seeing it, so I'm like, I have to talk about it, otherwise it's gonna drive me crazy. So then you have Boxy Premium, which is only available to people who are already Boxycharm, like just the regular box. If you have no subscription with them, you cannot just like say you want this box by itself. So I wonder if they'll change that in the future, but this is 35 bucks. I think they released it last month in November. I was on the wait list for it. I did not get a box, so I was not charged for it, but I was able to get it this month. So we're gonna open it up and see if it was worth my $35 because I'm excited. Okay, so it does say Boxycharm Premium on it, and it's packaged nicely. Should I look at the card? No. No, we'll look at the card at the end, and then I can give you like the full amount. Does it tally for you? No, I'm gonna have to do math, guys. All right, so the first item in here is from Dose of Colors, the Hidden Treasure Palette. I remember, do you remember when this was released? It was a huge deal. Dose of Colors was one of the first indie brands, I think, that we were all like, this did not curl today. Well, I didn't curl this today, so we can see it's like a stray hair. And I remember thinking this was so, like, I didn't like it because it was like everywhere, and I still think I don't like it because it's everywhere. I know that's like a crazy reason not to like something, but I just want it to be like, not, I don't know. Well, besides that, these kind of like shimmers, these are colors that I prefer as a matte. I tend to not do like copper or red, like this kind of red. It's just, these are colors that I don't wear as metallics. So this will probably be in a blog sale, which, oh, guys, I'm trying to do this blog sale. I just haven't had time. And then I decided to do this whole Vlogmas thing, and I'm just, if I could tell you everything that is going on in my life, which I probably won't ever, but gosh, oh my God. I just removed this like large piece of bubble wrap, and I can see everything in the box now. Super exciting. Okay, first thing is a Kat Von D Cake pencil. So it's her pencil liner. I mean, even just, well, I don't know the price of everything, but I can see like at least 4 of these items are over $35, so I should be okay, right? 3 of the items for sure are at 35 or over 35. Okay, so it's called Trooper Black. Should we swatch it? Oh. Not as black as I thought it would be, but not bad. So there's a swatch of it. I know I have similar darkness. It's just not as black as I thought it would be. It's a really creamy, nice liner though. Next item is from Laneige. It's the eye sleeping mask. From the size of this box, I'm guessing full size. This is kind of cool, okay. I haven't tried that. I've tried the sleeping mask for the face. Was not impressed. Could have just been me not understanding skincare, but I didn't find any like wow factor. Oh, I thought you got 2 products. It's 1 product, so you like take the cap off and you can put the dropper in. So yes, full size. This is a glass bottle, so that'll be exciting. I wonder if it will work on its own or if it will be like supplemental to like eye creams. Next, we have something from Skinfix. It's the Eczema Plus Dermatitis Face Balm. So exciting. I no longer have eczema. In case you haven't noticed, I haven't like been going on and on and on about it. When I had it, guys, I was really about to lose it. I have used Skinfix products in the past when they were sold at Target and CVS. They've always been really, really good. They don't stop the itching, but they definitely help the look of stuff, especially on your face. It is now at Sephora, and I think the prices are a little higher, but I always was surprised at something I always thought they were so good that they were available at a drugstore and for the price. So this kind of doesn't really surprise me that they decided to like take this, like go in this direction. But this, I'm guessing, not a full size, but really generous size regardless. At first I was concerned it was a hand cream. I'm like, I don't want a hand cream, but I'm excited. This will be great, especially if I have like a weird situation when my under eyes do that thing where it's like getting like dry and peely. Hopefully that doesn't happen. The next thing is a brand I have not heard of. It's called Facesick. What does this look like to you? Bazy or basic? Okay, actually, let me just check the card. Basic Beauty Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. Jelly texture. Okay, let's see. Please don't let there be a blush. If there's a blush, I'm not gonna want it. Okay. But if it's a jelly blush, maybe I'll like it. But then it will depend on the color. Stop talking and open up the box. Okay, here's the shades. I'm here for these 2 shades for sure. This, I don't know. I don't want to swatch it and then not be able to like, or maybe I'll try it anyway. I don't know, jelly-like. So I'm guessing, okay, whatever. We're going into it. Okay, yes, ColourPop vibes. ColourPop vibes in a palette. Oh, like, but like, I don't know what the word I was looking for. I was kind of not expecting it to be so cooling. So the pink is definitely not something I would like. They're pretty. I think you could definitely do a really, really pretty look with this. Maybe we will try it. We will try it, yeah? All right, lastly, Glow Recipe. Full size bottle. Obviously, it looks like it. It's a big box. It's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer for oily to combo skin. I have dry to dry, normal dry. So we'll use this in the summer. I'm excited. I have another full size box. Or Glow Recipe item. I think I got the pineapple one, the one that's in the pineapple container, the vitamin C, I think. I got a full size of that in one of my Boxycharms too. So I don't know. It's like there are months when I think the boxes are really, really great, and there are months where I feel like, whatever. So I think a lot of people, wow, did I just say people? A lot of people probably feel the same way. So I think they're trying to offer more customization. I'm trying to remember if I was able to pick anything in here. I think I wasn't able to pick anything in here, but I was able to say like if I wanted skincare or if I wanted eyeshadow. I think like those kind of customizations or like options are available. And they have recently started to try to introduce like foundation and concealer, I think, because we get blister cards where we should like sample different shades and see what we're closest to, and we can enter it into our profile. So that's kind of cool. This box was absolutely worth $35. I mean, with any subscription or any like box, mystery box, you're not gonna be able to like know what you're getting. But I think just for the Glow Recipe, I'm excited already. The things I'm already gonna use are 1, 2. So Glow Recipe, Skinfix, Laneige. Gonna use the eyeliner, and we're gonna try out this Basic Beauty palette. And then, so the only thing I probably don't, it's not that I don't like it, I just know I won't use it because like that format, that setup, that palette setup, I won't reach for it. And then the metallics are just like not like my go-to shades. So also the amount of shades in there that I probably already have 5 times over. So yay, I'm very excited about this. I'm glad it was a good box, because sometimes I think, oh, I have unboxed other ones for you. They've been cut from the vlogs because I just really wasn't impressed, and I'm just like, I don't want to share products with you guys that I'm like, don't know about or I'm iffy about. Like, I would much prefer to be like, this is good, I like this, I'm into this, I like, you know, positive things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope my hair wasn't bothering you. I think as I move, like, it just, you keep more and more and more. I will see you tomorrow.